to make some homemade powdered sugar. I was about to make some hot cross buns and I realized that I don't have powdered sugar, so I'm attempting to make some powdered sugar homemade. Now let's see how it's going to come out. I have 2 cups of regular granulated sugar. I just have the sugar here and I'm going to just put it in my blender. This is my blender that I use for my smoothie, so you want to use a blender that is that's going to grind the sugar really fine. So I'm going to use this one, but you can use any type of blender. So to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And now I am going to blend it. And let's see how this powdered sugar is going to come out. You can do anything homemade. So let's see. All grind up really fine. So I'm going to stop it and kind of shake it up and continue. Blend it. Shake it up again because you want all that sugar, that grainy feeling to come out. Now I'm going to shake it some. Let me open it up and see what's going on. I think it's really powdery already. See that? It's like super powdery. Look at that. And this is powdered sugar. See, the sugar turned into... So that's just exactly what powdered sugar is. It's just powdered sugar. So anytime you run out of powdered sugar and you don't feel like going to the store like me, because I was about to put my clothes on, go to the store, but I just don't feel like going on this day before Easter with all the crowds. So I'm like, I'm gonna make some powdered sugar and it's really good. So we're gonna grind it up a little more so everything gets grind. Got all that powder on my hands. It's really powdered sugar and it tastes like it too. So you don't have to buy powdered sugar anymore when you run out. If you don't even feel like buying it, you can make it. And this is the same as powdered sugar, is icing sugar, confectioner sugar, they're all the same. That's different name. So I'm gonna... So there you have it, my easy powdered sugar to make my crosses and my hot cross buns. Hope you try this. And you can just store your powdered sugar in a airtight container. And you have powdered sugar for whatever you need to use it for.